to my studio today. I am kind of excited. I'm going to try something here today that I have not yet been successful at. So I'm gonna try this funnel pour, my dollar store funnel. Base is going to be Prussian blue. I got this golden Prussian blue the other day. I love Prussian blue. This is the golden. I have mixed it with, I'll put the pouring medium in the description, but I did about 2 ounces of paint to 2 ounces of Liquitex gloss medium and a mix 75% Floetrol and 25% GAC, about 10 ounces of that. So I'll figure out the ratios and I will put it in the description for you. Another one of my colors that I'm going to be using today is Amsterdam Turquoise Blue. So here we go, turquoise blue, and then mix the same. All of them are mixed the same today. Amsterdam turquoise green, so that's a really, really pretty shade. So I'm gonna try that. I did mix together some of the golden iridescent pearl. Now this one I mixed the same, but then it was too thin, so I did add a little bit of Mod Podge to it as a pouring medium just to kind of thicken it up. So hopefully that goes well. I have the DecoArt 24 karat gold, and that is mixed the same, very pretty. I have Golden's Iridescent Copper Light. So I mixed that. That one also actually was a little bit thicker than the other golden fluid paints, so I'm not really sure why that one specifically is, but I didn't really have to add any Mod Podge to that. I have DecoArt Sterling Silver in the Extreme Sheen, and I wasn't quite the silver that I wanted, so I did mix in a little bit of the goldens. Let me see, what is this? Golden, iridescent silver, yeah, iridescent silver, so real pretty. So that gave it a little bit more sheen that I wanted. I also have one of my favorites, also is the DecoArt Extreme Sheen in the Sapphire. So I'm gonna try that also. So that's my paints today. So I'm gonna set all this stuff aside. And I will actually post a picture of them all at the end of this video so that you guys have it, because I have a feeling I'm gonna be doing another video with these same colors. So today I am using a 12 by 16 Artist Loft gallery wrapped canvas. So I'm gonna go ahead and flood my canvas with the Prussian blue. But first, before I do that, I am going to shut the camera off for a minute and I am going to paint my sides. Okay, so you can see that I painted my sides here. And like I said, the Prussian blue is a transparent. So if you don't paint your sides with a transparent, you're gonna have kind of on the edges, you'll see white bleed through there from the canvas. Usually as it kind of folds over, when it's wet, it folds over and you can actually, will be able to see white canvas, which is really, I mean, if that's the look you're going for, that's fine, but it's not the look I'm going for. So I go ahead and I paint my edges. So now I am going to just flood my canvas and I will be right back with you. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead here and start with the funnel pour. I have listed all of the colors at the bottom, but instead of just listening to me talk, I am going to put some music on and let you guys go ahead and watch. I do this funnel pour twice because the first one I just wasn't super pleased with it. There was a lot of iridescent pearl, so you're gonna see me go right over this one, but it was a good learning experience and it was fun, and I got some gorgeous cells, so I can't wait for you guys to see this. So have fun, and as usual, if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and hit the all button so that you receive all notifications. Like my video, and please leave a comment. I love to hear what you guys have to say. So thanks for watching and enjoy. oddly shaped. So let's see what we have going on everywhere. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna keep that, guys. I think I like it. And I'll bring it down for a close-up. Here you can see a close-up here. These are really, really pretty cells that are happening here. And that's funny because that copper, I used quite a bit of it in the second one and it just does not want to show up. I do like the negative space on the corners. I think it looks pretty neat. And even down here, you can see some remnants of that first funnel pour with the iridescent pearl. I think that's going to be really pretty once it dries. So I wanted to leave a little bit of that in there, and I didn't want to lose all my negative space that I already had. So I'm pull you back, and